Hi everybody, and welcome to EngageUNF training. In this video, we will explore adding an impact. Once you have completed your activity, you can now log your involvement by adding an impact. Navigate to the Activity tab in your personal navigation bar. Clicking here will access a drop-down menu of your groups and classes specific to you based on your activity. The more you use the system, the more information will be generated. You may see additional fields like impacts and registrations that you have created, but more on this later. This is your shortcut to logging an impact in the correct location. To log an impact with your course, select Classes from the drop-down menu. This will take you directly to the Classes tab of your dashboard, where you can select Add Impact to the desired course. These are the steps for entering your impact details. The default impact type is time, and this will be the overwhelming majority of the impacts you enter. You will start by either including the start date and end date range, or the start and end time range to generate the duration of your involvement in hours and minutes. If you are doing a date range, you will need to input the hours. If you are doing a start time and end time, the system will automatically calculate the total number of hours. Every impact needs to be verified. The impact will default to a dropdown of administrators for a group and faculty members for a class. If the person who can verify your impact is not one of the people in the dropdown, you can add a verifier by clicking Switch to Write-In mode in the upper right corner of the verification box. Now you can enter the name and email address of the verifier. If you enter a verifier, please make sure to double-check the email address. Whoever you select as the verifier will be able to see the content of your impact. Then select Next. Select whether you would like to share the impact with a course as part of a course engagement, or if you would like to share the impact with another group or organization. You can share the impact with courses you are currently enrolled or groups you have joined. Then click Next. Under Activity Host, enter the organization or community partner that hosted the event or that is associated with the impact. Some activities might require additional impact questions. They would be found on this screen. Then click Next. Finally, you would be prompted to tell us about your experience by entering your review, reflection, and feedback in the text box. This is your opportunity to capture your experience and share your observations and key takeaways that you have learned. You may be asked to include additional files associated with your impact. You can upload any attachments by clicking Add File. Under Personal Notes, anything you add will only be visible on your profile. Then click Add Impact. You have successfully submitted your impact. The individual you have selected to verify your impact will now receive an email request to confirm your hours. The process for groups and classes is the same. These are the steps for updating or deleting an impact. Navigate to the Activity tab in your personal navigation bar. Clicking here will access a drop-down menu of your groups, classes, and impacts specific to you based on your activity. This is your shortcut to updating or deleting an impact. Select Impacts from the drop-down menu. This will take you directly to the Impacts tab of your dashboard. Locate the impact and select Update. This will take you back through the impact workflow where you can make any necessary changes before clicking Add Impact. Alternatively, you can click anywhere in the impact to review your impact submission page. From this screen, you can select actions to edit, move the impact into another course or group, or delete your impact. Thank you for watching EngageUNF training. Be sure to check out our other training videos, and if you have any questions, you can always reach us at engageunf@unf.edu.